everybody, I am Rhonda Vincent. I'm here at Bluegrass Island. Look at that. There's a pine cone. I'm right on the beach. This is one of the premier festivals in the entire world, one of the most beautiful locations, and to have bluegrass music right here by the beach is one of the most incredible experiences.
Bring your friends and family, it's the perfect place to play on Bluegrass Island. Bluegrass Island, like it's laying on the ground, listening to the bluegrass sound, pine trees waving to sweet harmonies. Bluegrass Island, banjos echo through the trees, lovers dancing in the breeze.
So we love it. We love coming here each and every year. So I even wrote a song about it, on Bluegrass Island. So come join me here.